Hi, Nidal.
Hello, brother.
Long time.
How you doing? Yeah.
Good, good. I want to show you something special, Nidal.
Perfect.
What do you think?
Oh, wow. Crazy. Amazing, brother.
Amazing.
Wow.
This is our G63 Mastodon Special V2. It's
Oh.
a crazy project. Wide body, all the car complete modified, new headlight, new taillight, new complete body, complete panels, complete bumpers, complete fenders, complete bonnet, complete side skirts, complete renew car. You need to see the back come.
Yes, please. Oh, wow.
See how
Wow.
looks, not more square, they have curves. Now these have these curves, and this is amazing. And the back looks really
You know what I
impressive.
like? What I like that you do your logo as a design and it's look amazing. We can see the V here. Wow. And the rear and the front fender.
Yes.
It's amazing, brother.
Yes.
And you change the backlight, you make it like, wow.
Yeah, the idea was to do something more futuristic, you know?
This is Venom.
I told you, I need to surprise you.
Yeah, you kill me, not surprise me. Wow, one of the best G I ever seen. And this is a limited edition one.
Limited
right?
edition, yes, of course.
How many cars on this?
This, with this combo, with this color, one of one.
Mamma
Simply.
mia, mamma
Not
mia.
more.
And for the whole kit, how many cars you do?
Total will be 50.
Oh, only 50 cars.
Only 50
wow,
cars
and this is
worldwide.
one out of one from the 50.
Yes.
That's perfect.
Because we will never repeat this color outside and the combo inside.
Wow, wow, the color is amazing, design is perfect.
We make full customization interior and we make the VIP seats with this combo combination white and
Wow.
purple that looks really,
Wow,
really
wow.
impressive.
There is a console in the middle.
A console in the middle.
VIP seats in the back.
Yeah, with freezer, with all these things.
I know you fixed, I think, the problem for the G-Wagon because the people who's buying G-Wagon, they are always facing the problem with the back seats. It's not comfort. So now you fixed that is a problem for a lot of people who buying G-Wagon with this VIP seats. They can feel comfort on the G-Wagon like they are interior of the Rolls-Royce.
Yeah.
That's amazing. That's
Yes,
amazing.
this was the plan.
It's soft closed door.
Yes.
Wow! Wow! You
what
see,
do you
guys?
Yes,
It's only the feeling for the Rolls-Royce interior and the soft closed door for the G-Wagon. Imagine.
yes,
Wow!
of course.
Good job, brother. Perfect.
And guys, we have a lot of more surprises. Stay tuned.